27th of October 2022.
Asuntko sekä yhtiö säästökaitans?
We have Iivisniemenkatu, Iivisniemengatan, 4 staircase D. Here in Iivisnies and Kaitaa. But the metro station should have been named after Iivisnies because it's here. It's in Espoo, Helsinki Watch region, Uusimaa, Finland, and just a bit more than a month until the final station of the restaurant will open, but 4 years late. It was built in 1970, it turned 50 years old in 2020. The number is 18318. And this one has a lower basement floor where we're starting.
Yeah.
And an upper basement floor and 8 floors in total. We'll be inspecting the next year, 2023.
Yeah.
This is the best one because it has the upper and basement floors.
Yeah. Inspected by QA, maintained by Finland.
Yeah. That's it, thank you very much. Maybe the upper basement floor has another exit.
That's